Hello,
Hello, welcome to.
drawing with Jackson and Dad.
Today we're going to draw a puppy. And this puppy is a special request from someone very special. Her name is Annie. She was over yesterday. We had a lot of fun, and she actually drew a dolphin with Jackson from our previous tutorials. You can look it up on our channel. And we're going to go ahead and do a puppy today. So let's see if we can get started. We're going to soccer, so we're short on time once again. So I think with the puppy, we're going to have to turn our papers this way.
So he's going to be sitting up top.
Yeah. And then we're going to start with kind of like a soft triangle.
For his nose.
Yes, for his nose. It could be a her dog, whatever you want to do, boy or girl dog. And then I'm going to make like a little circle here. And that's going to be the shiny spot on the nose. I'm going to blacken in all the other areas. Next, we're going to do his or her eyes. It's going to be just like that.
I'm going to make mine a little different.
Oh, Jackson. Okay.
I'll just color the eyes black. With the sunshine.
Looks pretty good. Now we're going to do a line that goes just across, which is the top of the nose. Then we're going to do another line that kind of comes out from about the top of the nose and sweeps down
For its head.
like there, which is going to be his cheek and his bottom of his lip. And then we're going to do on the other side the same thing. We're going to come around, trying to make it the same distance if you can. That's good. Now we're going to add eyebrows.
Painted.
And the top of his head above the eyebrows. And then I'm going to make his ears start at the top of that line and come out about like this, come in like this, and come up like that. You can make them longer if you want, shorter if you want, but I've got them pretty short. So I'm going to do the same exact thing on the other side. Now from his nose, the bottom end of the triangle, I'm going to have like a little smiley.
And another.
And another little smiley. You guessed it. And at the end of the smiley, I'm going to put his little end of his mouth. And sometimes dogs have little hairs that come out. I'm just going to have little dots where the hairs would come out. You can make little whiskers on them if you want. That's what Jackson did. And now I'm going to do his chest. Actually, I think I'll have him facing a little bit sideways. So what I'm going to do is have his, actually I think I'll do his neck first, because we're going to put a collar on him. And then we're going to put a collar that kind of comes like this.
Like Toby.
Yeah. And then another one that comes down like this. And then I'm going to put a circle. That's going to be his little ID tag. You can put his name in there, whatever name you want to do.
Okay, I'll do Ollie. An old cat.
Oh, okay. Now I'm going to do his chest, which is going to sweep like just below. It's going to look like a smile face underneath that circle. There you go. Now I'm going to have his front paw come down to about there. That's his front leg, actually. Just below the chest. And then another one on the other side. Now we're going to give him 3 big paws. Because puppies usually have feet that they have to grow into.
Can I connect the bottom?
Yeah, you can connect the bottom if you want. Go straight across. I probably should have done it that way. That's a better way to go, Jackson. Come across, but you don't want to close it off. You want to do the inside of his leg, which is going to come up here. It's all right that yours is closed off because it kind of looks like he's got like a colored paw that way. So go a little farther in this way, up to here, and then up to the chest. Make sure you meet a little bit on the inside of the chest. There you go. Now the other paw, I'm going to do just the same way.
And then come up again.
Up to the chest. Yeah. Now his other feet are going to be behind his hind legs. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start at the right about a little below the bottom of the collar. I'm going to come around and make this shape,
Like a chicken bone.
like a chicken bone or like a half of a heart. And then on the other side, we're going to do the same thing. Notice we're ending right about the chest line there, which you did. Now we're going to add the same thing, just like we did with these paws. We do the same thing back here and run it to his. Go up and around. Yeah. Up and then back down and then straight across. Perfect. Yeah, that looks good. So yeah, I'm going to give his little toes in there too. And the same thing on the other side. Up and around, straight across, and toes. And then in the middle, I'll just do a straight line across to show where his little bum is sitting. Now, I think I have just enough room for a tail. But my tail, I think I'm going to have it run it just like that. You can have it come out to the side, laying on the ground if you want, just to be a little different. And straight across. That looks like a great tail. Okay, so I think I'm going to call my dog. I'm going to call my dog Max. We know a Max. And then there's another, Rich's dog, Max.
Oh yeah, Max.
There's another little thing we can do to the legs, but I'm going to leave it alone. I think it looks good. So now I think we have enough room on the bottom to put a bowl. So what I'm going to do is right below his feet here, I'm going to do an oval. And then on the outside of that oval, I'm going to do another oval
For his bowl.
for the outside edge of his bowl. And then a line
Sides.
straight down. Then another line straight down. Well, not straight down. It's actually a curved line. I mean, angled line.
And you put straight down.
And then we're going to follow that same line that we have on the top lines.
Kind of make like a half C.
Yeah. And then I'm going to put Max on his pole, or whatever name you gave your dog. So I'm going to have Max anxiously waiting for his food. And Jackson's going to have Ollie anxiously waiting for her food. Okay, so we have our dog. Now we're going to color it in. We're going to go in fast motion because we have to make our videos as short as possible. So you guys can follow
it'll
along.
be fast motion because we have to leave the soccer.
And we have to leave the soccer too. So let's go, Jackson. Fast motion. So Jackson ended up putting a
Jet.
jet flying by in the background, which is extra cool. And maybe that's his parents coming flying home fast to feed him or her. In your
Mine
case.
already has food.
Oh, yours has food. Oh, yours
So
is
they're
yours is a
flying-
happier dog
Maybe
than my dog.
they're flying off to Canada.
Oh, they're flying off to
I
Canada. And
should-
they're, wait, they're leaving Ollie behind? No.
Oh, I guess they are.
I guess they are. They have somebody to.
Nick will be.
They have an Aaron and Lisa to look after Ollie. Yeah. All right, guys. Thank you so much for joining us. We'll see you on the next one. If you want to send us any kind of letters or notes or emails, my email is right here. You're welcome to send your drawings to us, or you can take a picture and send a drawing to us, or you can just tell us what you like about the show, or you can just say hi and I'm an artist, or tell us about yourself, whatever you want. And we'll talk to you later. Bye.
Bye.